there, the next thing I want to review is alphabetical order, or ABC order. Remember, they mean the same thing. So go ahead and say that with me. Alphabetical order. Awesome. Alphabetical order is when you put words or names in order using the alphabet. Right here is the alphabet. So what I'd like to do is go ahead and say the alphabet together and then practice putting some words in alphabetical order. So let's get started. Wait, before we get started, why are there 2 A's and 2 Z's and 2 K's? Well, this is the capital A and this is the lowercase a. Capital K, lowercase k. Capital Z, lowercase z, right? Okay, ready? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's the alphabet. Okay, so let's go ahead and put these words, which are actually the months, January, May, and April, in alphabetical order. Okay, so let's go ahead and use the alphabet up here as our tool. Let's go ahead and look at our words real quick. Here's January, May, and then April. So we're going to start with Z or A. We're going to start with the first letter in the alphabet, A. Always start with the first letter. So let's see if we have any months right here that begin with A. January, so we're looking at the letter, right? J. No, that doesn't begin with an A. Does M and May? No. What about A, April? Does that work? That does. So that's going to be our first word in our alphabetical order. Let's keep going. Do we have any months down here that have B, C, D, E? Give me a thumbs up when you see one of these words that have these letters. F, G, H, I, J. Yep, January. January has a J. Okay, and I know this is our last one, but it's always good to go through and make sure. K, L, M. All right, so what did we do? I want you to think about it. What did we just do to put these words in alphabetical order? We said the names of the words first, we looked at the letters, and then we used the alphabet as a tool to help us figure out which word would go first, next, and then last. All right, I hope you liked this little review over alphabetical order.